Hey everybody, and welcome back to the next Flappy Ears tutorial video. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and modify our pipes so that they will start in some variant position along the Y, something like this. So to do that, let's go ahead and open up our pipe script. We're going to need a public float min Y, set that to 0, max Y, and we want to make a vector 3 temp, and this is going to equal our transform dot position. And then the only one of these position, or the position that we want to modify, is the Y, and this is just going to equal random dot range between our minimum and our max. And then we want to reassign this back into our position. Okay, so save that. So to figure out what our minimum or max is, just drag the Y coordinate on the transform of the rainbow and find something that looks pretty good. So for minimum, it's probably -0.5, and then for max, 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this. Delete that from the scene. Click play. So now the pipes are moving based on our minimum maximum. Okay, so that's cool. The next thing we want to do is when we start, we have to just start tabbing right away. There's no pause for us. So let's go back to our scripts, and we're going to go ahead and prevent the game from starting until we first click. So we're going to use a bool, and we're going to say is first jump. Set that to false. We also want to use our rigid body 2D.gravity scale and set that to 0 so we don't fall. If first jump, then we can start moving. If first jump, else. So if it's the first jump, or if it's not the first jump, then we're gonna set this to true so that the game will start. We're going to go back to our gravity on our rigid body 2D and set that back to 1 so that we'll fall. And we're going to copy this line so that we'll jump. Okay, so let's save that. Click play. So now we just sit there, and the world does not generate any pipes. And if we click, we'll start jumping, and pipes are created. Cool. So the next thing we want to do is when we hit the floor, we also want that to kill us. So let's go to our floor, and let's go add the boundary to this. So it's not friendly, and let's see what happens when we hit it now. Nothing. So that's because boundary currently is only set up with a trigger instead of a collider. So let's go ahead and add on collider enter 2D. And this function will be the same as that function. So just copy and paste it in. And I probably misspelled something. And it is on collision. It takes a collision 2D in. Call this call. Game object. Okay, so that should be okay. And let's see what happens now. Great, so it worked. Alright, that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching.